What's up, everybody? John from Florida Moto Talk coming at you again with another video. And for this one, I'm just going to share some video that I collected from the Daytona International Speedway while we were there watching the Daytona 200. And man, what a freaking event it was. What a great weekend altogether. But the Daytona International Speedway, I mean, the pictures and watching it on TV do not do that place any justice. It is the biggest racetrack I've ever seen in my life. It's bigger than any football stadium that I've ever been to, man. The place is just massive. Probably got in about 20,000 steps throughout the day, walking from the infield back out to the main grandstand. And I mean, man, the place is just ridiculous. It was also bike week as well. So when we walked into the track, I mean, the entire front parking lot of the speedway was just vendors and just motorcycles and manufacturers doing demos. I mean, as far as the eye could see, it was like a big party out there. Man, it was crazy. And I mean, I spent $55. We went ahead and upgraded the tickets so we can get the infield access too. It was a no-brainer. And I think the Moto America, I mean, they just knock it out of the park when it comes to value with these tickets, man, because it's $55 and I watched multiple races from different spots on the track to include the main grandstand. Then we went out to the infield and got to do the paddock walk because, I mean, the paddock's completely open. All the garages are open. And, man, when I tell you, like, I saw pretty much every big name in Moto America out there just walking around in the pits, dude. It was ridiculous. Sean Dillon Kelly, saw him there. PJ Jacobson. Josh Herron. I mean, these guys are out there just walking around. Loris Baz. I mean, it's crazy. The access that you get with Moto America, absolutely ridiculous. And I mean, you can walk right up to the garage and see the bikes. I got some pictures in here too that I took, but man, I was like 10 feet away from Josh Herron's Daytona 200 winning V2. Spoiler alert. Sorry, guys, for those who haven't seen it yet. But like I said, I mean, the Daytona International Speedway, it's ridiculous. If you haven't been there, make sure you go there next year because the place, I mean, it's just an amazing facility, man. It was great racing all throughout the weekend. And this is just some video that I got from around there. So sit back, relax, enjoy the vibes, and we'll see you on the next one. Did you see that post about Keanu Reeves, man, and that heart? find those, bro. Like this row right here. Want to grab those? Let's grab them.
Put together is that drafting on the high banks, and there is more drafting and passing done in this event than there is the entire season during the Moto America year. But we talked about at the top of the show, Josh Sharon has been the man, Jason, for the last 2 years.
Yeah, this was a restart in 2023. Now, Rich Escalante and Herring got together down in turn 1. And you can see Herring on his way back to the front.
Is the 360 camera. When we come back, we're going to introduce you.
Yeah, because now we just go see that.
Going like 5 miles per hour. They don't do that here, man. They just send it. Tires. Yeah. I mean, they just snail crawl all the way around the field.
And it's pretty crazy turn 1 because it's the only time these riders are going to get to start from into turn number 1, which is very interesting. And the weather here, it looks pretty good, but we know that there is rain in the area and that would create a race stop. So we're going to talk about that, but the temperature's good, wind is down. And then the other thing too that you talked about is one of the banking. This is going to be the big group. So who has got a good drive?